Hello guys, welcome to the Doubtlet. So in this question of area under the curve, we have to read this question. Sketch the region enclosed by the curve given below. Decide whether to integrate with respect to x or y. Then find the area of the region bounded by the curves x is equal to 144 minus y square, comma x is equal to y square minus 144. So we can see that there are two parabolas given. So we have drawn the diagram of both the parabolas, that if we will just name this parabola as curve 1 or upper curve, then we can easily draw the graph of this parabola like this. So it will intersect as y 144 minus y square. So it will have y is equal to 12 and minus 12. So it will intersect the parabola. It will intersect the y-axis at 12 and minus 12. Same is the case with the curve 2 or the lower parabola. So we can easily see it from here. So there are two intersection points on y-axis. First is this 0, 12 and second is 0, minus 12. And these parabolas will intersect x and x-axis at minus 144, 0 and 144, 0. So by seeing the symmetry of this area under these both parabolas, we will just start to integrate with respect to y first. Then we have to just assume a strip of width dy here. So we can see that we can easily integrate this function with respect to y from minus 12 to 12. So if we will just subtract from this upper curve to lower curve, then we can easily find the area under this curve. So here we will write first area. So we will write that is minus 12 to 12. These are the upper limit and lower limit. And if we will write the equation of curve 1, that is upper curve, then it is 144 minus y square minus y square minus 144. So we will integrate it with respect to y. So if we will further solve it, then limit will remain same, minus 12 to 12. Then this 144, this minus will become plus. So it will become 288 minus, and this will become 2y square. So we can, then we know that 288 minus 2y square is an even function. So we will use this property, that is fx of minus a to a, it will become twice, and limit will become 0 to a. So we can write by using this property. So 2 will just come out common from these both, and 2 will be added. So 2 into 2, so this will be 0 to 12, and we can easily write 144 minus y square, and this will be dy. So now again solving, this will become 4, and if we will just do this simple definite integral, then this will become 144y, and it will become y cube by 3. So limit will go from 0 to 12. So further we will solve it. So 144, and if we will just write upper limit minus lower limit, 1 by 3 will become common, and we can write it here 12 cube minus 3. So we need to multiply, that is we can write 144 into 12 minus, so this will become 12 square 144, and if we will just solve 12 by 3, this will become 4. So 144 will also just come out of the bracket, it is a common term, and this will be rewritten as 12 minus 4. So we can write it at 32 times of 144. So the final answer will be around 4608. So this is the area under the curve. Here we have found it by using the integration with respect to y. We can also perform integration with respect to x also. In that case, since the area under the area is symmetric with respect to x-axis and y-axis, then we can find the area above x-axis and we can just twice it. So in this case, we have to use two different integral because curves are different. So here first of all we will integrate with respect to x with respect to this curve, and the limit will be from 1 minus 144 to 0, and then with respect to this curve, and the limit will be from 0 to 144, and the variable will be x. So we can perform this we can solve this question by using x or y as a variable. So if you will just like my solution, please give feedback. Thank you very much.